This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Michelle Byington. Exceptional rental available now. Enjoy your stay in this entertaining and delightful home. This immaculate home features an open floor plan from kitchen, dining area, family room and living room, ceramic tile throughout for easy cleaning, split bedrooms for convenience and privacy. Master bedroom has queen bed, oversized closet and walk-in shower in master bath. Plantation shutters open to bring in extra lighting in living and family rooms. Turnkey home with everything that you will need is here waiting for you. Kings Point is 55+ active senior golf cart community located in Sun City Center, Florida, offering residents 24-hour security, 6 pools, tennis courts, fitness center, pickleball, lawn bowling for residents, also has arts/crafts/outdoor activities, social events, travel and many more. Sun City is minutes from Interstate I-75, centrally located to St Petersburg, Tampa, Sarasota, and Orlando. This is a 3-month minimum rental available only until January 31. Sorry, this is a no pets, no smoking rental. For more information, review the details below.